Today, we unravel the secrets of these colorful and intelligent creatures, parrots. Parrots are more than just beautiful birds. They possess remarkable abilities and fascinating behaviors that will leave you in awe. Did you know that a parrot's beak never stops growing? It's a continuously growing tool that helps them crack nuts, preen their feathers, and communicate with one another. Parrots are skilled architects. Watch as they meticulously construct intricate nests using twigs, leaves, and feathers. Parrots are extraordinary mimics. Their ability to imitate human speech and various sounds showcases their incredible intelligence and social nature. Parrots form deep emotional bonds with their owners. Their playful and affectionate nature makes them delightful companions. Parrots are brilliant problem solvers. They can solve puzzles and use tools to obtain food, demonstrating their cognitive prowess. Parrots are excellent flyers, capable of soaring gracefully through the skies with their vibrant feathers catching the sunlight. Witness the beauty of parrot flocks as they embark on their mesmerizing migratory journeys. Parrots are truly enchanting creatures, each with a unique personality and charm. Subscribe to Bhumi Planet to uncover more of nature's incredible secrets.